Hi, my name is Marco and welcome to the Model Gene. In today's video, I'll be answering the question, what is a Fashion Week presentation? Although runway shows are the main attraction of Fashion Week, many designers show their collections with presentations. Presentations display a collection in a more static environment, typically a space where the guests can view the pieces at their own leisure rather than seeing them for a few seconds as they go down the runway. Shows are fast-paced, exciting, over in a few minutes, but the slower pace of presentations can be a better way to show the details of a collection. Especially for designers who are showing shoes, jewelry, and other accessories, presentations make more sense. Another big reason why a designer might offer a presentation instead of a show is that they are cheaper to organize. You do not need a big venue with a catwalk, a big production team, or as many models. Chanel spends millions on their elaborate shows to sell fantasy, but other brands see presentations as a more effective way of selling clothing. Thom Browne is one designer who frequently opts for presentations instead of shows, and they are just as theatrical. For models, presentations are a marathon. Instead of the adrenaline rush of shows where you have to perform for a few minutes, presentations involve standing around for a few hours while people are watching you. A lot of this depends on the designer, but I find presentations can be dehumanizing when the models are expected to behave like statues. Although this should come as no shock to anyone, when Kanye West had his show/presentation for his Yeezy Season 4 collection, several of the models fainted from standing out in the sun in 90-degree heat. Models are not props and should not be used in that way. Please let me know if you have any questions about presentations in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.